Hi guys, and welcome back to another Scrawlrbox unboxing. Today's video takes on the theme of Inktober, and I have to admit the whole box just gets me pumped for what's to come. The whole aesthetic of this box is gorgeous, as it's full of rich blacks and gray tones. The featured artist is Damian Rosansky, I hope I pronounced that right, who did a masterful job with this illustration. I am a sucker for inky, drippy paintings with messy ink splatters, so this one is definitely going up on my wall. I'll have his contact details in the description below. The paper is Canaletto Velino 210 GSM paper in A5. It is very smooth and nice, but it couldn't take too much water, as you'll see later on. So we received an Edding 2200C permanent marker. It's got a largish chisel nib. It says medium on the paper, but it's pretty large. But it's pretty versatile when you rotate and draw with the tip. The most unique item in this box is the Artline Sticks brush marker. The brush nib is very nice. The Derwent Graphics line marker was the second best thing for fine lining in the box, but the 0.8 nib is a little too thick for my personal style. Next up, I have the Centropen 4606 marker, which is a pretty nice felt tip, but it felt the same as the Stabilo in my opinion, so I don't think it added too much value to the box. The Pigma BB brush pen is one of my favorites in this box. I loved the level of flexibility I got with the nib. The most disappointing item in the box was this Zebra Sarasa porous pen. Mine was completely dried out and unusable, which made my inking process pretty difficult because the size of the nib would be what I would use for inking. The Stabilo 68 pen is felt tipped and it feels really nice to work with. And then last we have this awesome Pentel color brush. I love the variation in line width and color intensity we get with this. Plus, I'm pretty sure it's refillable, which is always a bonus for me. On the screen is the official prompt list for Inktober. These supplies will probably get me through the whole challenge, which I hope to share with you. Instead of following the usual Scrawler challenge, this time I'm using the box to create the character I plan on using for my Inktober focus this year. Don't forget to like and subscribe to see more from me. My videos this month will be Inktober focused, so follow along if you like all things ink. And as always, thanks guys. you.